In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose and send an email in Gmail. Whether you're a new user or just need a quick refresher, these simple steps will guide you through the process. To kick things off, you'll want to open your Gmail inbox. Once you're there, look toward the upper left-hand corner for the button labeled Compose. It's typically a colorful button that stands out, making it easy to find. Click on this button to open a new email window. Now that the window has popped up, you'll see several fields that need your attention. Begin with the To field, which is where you'll type the email address of the person you want to contact. As you start typing, Gmail might suggest contacts from your address book, making it quicker to fill in. Next, move on to the Subject field. This is an important step because the subject line gives your recipient a quick overview of the email's purpose. Craft a concise and clear subject that accurately reflects the content of your message. This will help your email stand out in a crowded inbox, ensuring it's not overlooked. With the subject in place, the main part of your task is composing the message itself. Click into the larger text box, which is the email body. Here, you can type out everything you want to communicate. Keep in mind to maintain a professional tone if necessary, or personalize it as fits your relationship with the recipient. Don't hesitate to make use of the formatting options if you need to emphasize certain points. You can bold, italicize, or create lists to make your email more readable. Once you're satisfied with your draft, it's a good time to give everything a final review. Double check the recipient's address and the spelling and grammar of your message. You can also attach files or add links if needed by using the icons at the bottom of the Compose window. This ensures your email is complete and error-free before sending. Finally, look toward the bottom of the email window for the blue Send button. Clicking this button will send your email off to its intended recipient. If you realize you've made a mistake right after sending, don't worry. Gmail allows a brief window to undo send. And there you have it, you've just composed and sent an email using Gmail. With these easy steps, managing your digital communications becomes a straightforward task. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and become more familiar with additional features Gmail provides. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and happy emailing.